This question looks simple at first, but most students make the same mistakes again and again. Today I will go through the biggest mistakes students make with inverse functions, composite functions, and function notations. And more importantly, I will explain why those mistakes happen so these questions finally make sense. The first mistake is thinking inverse means reciprocal, but these are completely different ideas. A reciprocal flips a fraction, an inverse function reverses the process. Now let's see the concept behind the inverse function. If a function changes x into an output, the inverse function takes that output back to the original x. That's why inverse functions are like undo buttons. Let's first find the inverse function for f of x. Here f of x is equal to 4x plus 1. So let y is equal to 4x plus 1. Now swap x and y. So we have x is equal to 4y plus 1. Now solve for y. So we got x minus 1 equals to 4y. Then divide on both the sides by 4. So we have y is equals to x minus 1 divided by 4. And therefore inverse function of f of x is x minus 1 divided by 4. Now let's discuss about the another common mistake that most students do. Students think that composite means multiplication, but it is not like that. Composite functions means substitution. Remember, composite functions means substitution, not the multiplication. Let's understand the concept behind composite functions first. The inside function happens first. So in f of x, you first apply f to x and then apply f again to that result. Now, let's find f of x step by step. We have f of x equals to 4x plus 1 and we need to substitute the entire expression into itself. That's why we need to replace every x with 4x plus 1. And here brackets are extremely important. Many students only substitute the part of the expression and lose marks. Now we have this after substitution and you need to further simplify it. So the final answer is f of x is equal to 16x plus 5. The another common mistakes that students do is this notation confuses students because they read it too quickly. G inverse of 4 does not mean 1 divided by g of 4. It actually means what input gives an output of 4. Now here we will try to find g inverse of 4 step by step. This is our g of x. Now first set the entire function g of x equals to 4. So we have got this and in next step multiply both the sides with the denominator 2x plus 7. So after multiplication we've got this and now we need to solve for x. So our x is equal to minus 33 over 5. Therefore g inverse of 4 is equal to minus 33 over 5. Notice what we did. We solved an equation. We did not flip the fraction. That's the key idea students usually miss. Now we have come to the end part of this video. We need to find the composite function g of f of x. Here also, entire expression f of x equals to 4x plus 1 goes into the function g of x. So that is why we need to replace every x in the function g of x with 4x plus 1. That is why apply the g rule here and after that we got this and then we need to simplify it further. So after simplification we got 12x minus 2 over 8x plus 9. That's our final composite function g of f of x. If this video helped you understand functions more clearly, subscribe for more math explanations that actually make sense. Thank you.